Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing a super handy trick for YouTube TV users, how to quickly go to the previous channel. It's a feature that can save you time and make your viewing experience much smoother. In this video, we'll cover a couple of different methods, depending on your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device like a Roku or Fire Stick, or even the YouTube TV website, we've got you covered. We'll show you the simple button presses and clicks you need to know. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like. And if you're new to Fix Zone, consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks on all things tech. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Using the last channel button, if applicable. Okay, so the easiest method is to look for a dedicated last channel button on your remote. Some remotes, especially those that come with smart TVs or streaming devices, have a button specifically designed for this. It might look like a curved arrow pointing backward, or it might even say last or previous. If you have this button, simply press it. You'll immediately jump back to the channel you were watching before. Pretty simple, right? Section 2. Using the OK or Select button and channel guide. If your remote doesn't have a dedicated last channel button, don't worry. There's another way. This method works on most devices. First, press the OK or Select button on your remote. This usually brings up the channel guide or a menu overlay. Now, look for a recent channels or last watched section within this menu. It might be located at the top, bottom, or side of the screen. Using your remote's arrow keys, navigate to this recent channel section and select the channel you want to go back to. Section 3. Using the YouTube TV website for computers. If you're watching YouTube TV on your computer through the website, going back to the previous channel is even easier.
Simply click anywhere on the video player.
This will bring up the playback controls. You should see a rewind button or a button that indicates previous channels. Click on it to return to the channel you were watching earlier. Alternatively, you can press the backspace key on your keyboard. This also typically goes back to the previous channel. Section 4. Quick recap and troubleshooting. So just to recap, first, check for a dedicated last channel button. If you don't have one, use the OK or Select button to access the channel guide and find the recent channels section. And finally, if you're on a computer, click the rewind button or press backspace. If you're still having trouble, make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause glitches. Also, double-check that your remote is properly paired with your device. Sometimes a simple repairing can solve the issue.
Asterisco asterisco, outro, asterisco asterisco.
And that's it. Hopefully, this video has helped you learn how to quickly go to the previous channel on YouTube TV. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in your viewing experience. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.